Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today we are here to study chapter 13 of GSC. In last class we have studied this chapter and the name of the chapter is Art and Arts. In this chapter we have studied about all the destruction or damage caused due to the natural calamities and what are the effects of those natural calamities like volcanic eruptions, then earthquakes, then we studied about the types of volcanoes. Today we will study about the tsunamis. This is another natural calamity which affects us in several ways. Today we will study about the tsunamis. Tsunami, if we talk about the term tsunami, first of all we have to understand the meaning of the word tsunami. This is a Japanese word. Means this is from the Japan. We can see that the people of the Japan gave this name Japanese. So this is a Japanese word which means tidal wave. What does it mean? Tsunami means tidal waves. Tidal waves. Tidal waves. In Japanese, tsunamis means tidal waves. And if we talk about the definition of this tsunami, let's see. A tsunami is a series of large sea waves caused by a submarine earthquake or volcanic explosion. This is caused due to submarine earthquake or due to the volcanic explosion. This tsunami is caused due to submarine earthquake or volcanic explosion. In the open ocean, tsunamis are only about 1 meter high. If we talk about the open oceans, tsunami is the length of this wave is, height of this wave is only 1 meter. But as they approach near the shore, what is meaning of shore? This is the, we can see that the imaginary line which just joins the ocean and earth's surface, that is called the shore, and they grow to the heights as high as 55 meters. You can imagine how much high it is. 55 meters, very high. Tsunamis can cause severe destructions on coasts. Islands are the main targets. Means the main target of the tsunamis are islands, or islands are also destroyed by the tsunamis. They are also affected. A tsunami can destroy anything in their path. Whatever comes in the path of the tsunami is destroyed by them. This includes boats, buildings, houses, cars, trees, telephone lines, and anything else in their way. Whatever comes in the way of this tsunami, everything is destroyed. Like boats, buildings, houses, cars, trees, telephone lines, and whatever things comes in the way of this tsunami. Most tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean. Where the most tsunamis occur? It occurs in the Pacific Ocean. Most tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean. Why this? Most of the tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean because it is surrounded by ring of fire, and this ring of fire is a highly active volcano. Ring of fire, and this ring of fire is highly active volcano. very volcanic explosion will occur very rare, means very soon. And when the volcanic explosion will occur, what will happen? Due to volcanic explosion, tsunamis will come. So, as the Pacific Ocean is surrounded by ring of fire, and ring of fire is a highly active volcano and earthquake zone also. Not only the highly active volcano, but this is an earthquake zone. And when earthquake comes, then also tsunamis can come. And if the volcanic explosion occurs, then also tsunamis can occur. That's why most tsunamis occur in the Pacific Ocean. One example of the tsunami is given in the book. We will discuss about that. Tsunamis wave that hits Japanese shore 2011. Indian Ocean earthquake of 2004 and Tohoku earthquake of 2011 are examples of powerful earthquakes that generated tsunamis. In 2004, in Indian Ocean, due to Indian Ocean earthquake, tsunami came, and Tohoku earthquake in 2011. These are the example of the powerful earthquakes that generated the tsunamis. The Tohoku earthquake and tsunami caused extensive and severe structural damage in the Japan, including heavy damage to roads and railway, as well as fires in many areas and a dam collapse. We know that in the Japan, most of the means Japan is the area where the earthquake comes. Or we can't say always, but most of the times earthquake comes there, and the people living there are very active. What is meaning of the activeness in this case? Activeness means thing. Every time earthquake comes there and they start their life as usual again. They are very laborious, hardworking and active. We should learn one thing from them, that whenever we have difficult times, we should work together and we should try to get out of that situation and make our life normal. This is about the natural calamities. Okay. Some more things are given in your book, like agencies such as the Red Cross came to the assistance of the people affected by the natural disasters. This is the agencies which helps the people who suffers from the natural calamities, like Red Cross. Which agency? Red Cross. This is extra knowledge given to you. Red Cross, this helps the people suffering from the natural disasters or natural calamities. Flooding is the world's most expensive type of natural disaster because the damage can be very extensive. Which one is the world's most extensive type of natural disaster? Flooding. Why this is very extensive type of natural disaster? Because the damage can be very extensive. Clear? This is about the chapter. You have to revise this chapter. Now we will discuss the exercise of this chapter. The exercise which are given in the book, you will get the PDF of this chapter very soon. Then you can complete the copy. The exercise which we will discuss in the class, you have to do in the book. So all of you get ready with the pencil and open the book. I hope all of you are opening the book and studying along with me. But now you open your book, page number 107. Take the pencil lesson and get ready for doing the exercise of the chapter. We will do the exercise one by one. First exercise is tick the correct option. Tick the correct option. We have to tick the correct options. First question. The volcanoes that are quiet for many years and may erupt again are dash. We have three options: active, dormant, extinct. Active, dormant and extinct. Here second option is correct and the answer is dormant. You have to just put a tick mark in the book. Put a tick mark in the book. Dormant. D-O-R-M-A-N-T. The volcanoes that are quiet for many years and may erupt again are dormant. Clear? Now question number 2. The location inside the earth where an earthquake originates is called dash. We have three options: focus, epicenter, intensity. And what it is asked? Location inside the earth. So location inside the earth is focus. So first option is correct here and the answer is focus. F-O-C-U-S. F-O-C-U-S. Now question number 3. A smaller earthquake that may occur after a previous large earthquake is dash. We have three options again: intensity, shock, aftershock. Intensity, shock, aftershock. And the correct answer is aftershock. Aftershock. Aftershock is the correct answer here. Aftershock. Aftershock. A smaller earthquake that may occur after a previous large earthquake is dash. And the answer is aftershock. Question number 4. Question number 4 is the Richter scale has dash levels. We have three options: 7, 8, 9. And the correct answer is 8. The correct answer is 8. Second option is correct here. 8. 8 is the correct answer. The Richter scale has 8 levels. Now question number 5. Most tsunamis occur in this ocean. We have three options: Indian, Arctic and Pacific. Now only we have studied. The correct answer is last option is correct here. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. I will read the answer one more time and by the time you can match the answers. First answer is dormant. D-O-R-M-A-N-T. Second answer is focus. F-O-C-U-S. Third answer is aftershock. A-F-T-E-R-S-H-O-C-K. Question fourth answer is 8. E-I-G-H-T. And the fifth answer is Pacific. P-A-C-I-F-I-C. Now we will discuss the exercise B. Exercise B is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question is the Earth's crust is made up of huge slabs called dash. What is the question? The Earth's crust is made up of huge slabs called dash and the answer is plates. P-L-A-T-E-S. Plates. The Earth's crust is made up of huge slabs called plates. Question number 2. Dash comes up and collects in a chamber. Dash comes up and collects in a chamber and the answer is magma. M-A-G-M-A. M-A-G-M-A. Magma. Question number 3. The power or intensity of the earthquake is described by using dash. The power or intensity of the earthquake is described described by using dash. We have studied about two things. One is seismograph and other is Richter scale. But if we talk about the power or intensity of the earthquake, that is described by the Richter scale itself. Richter scale. Richter-scale. Richter scale. Now question number 4. The dash is a highly active volcano and the earthquake zone in the Pacific Ocean. And the answer is ring of fire. Ring of fire. Ring of fire. Ring of fire. What is the answer of question number 4? Question number 4 is the dash. In the place of dash, answer we will write the ring of fire is a highly active volcano and the earthquake zone in the Pacific Ocean. Last question. A dash is a series of large sea waves and the answer is tsunami. Tsunami is the answer of the last question. A tsunami is a series of large sea waves. I will tell the answer one more time. By the time you have to match it. First answer, plates. Plates. Second answer, magma. Magma. Third answer, Richter scale. Richter. Fourth answer, ring of fire. Ringofire. Last answer, tsunami. Tsunami. This is the exercise which we have to do in the book. Now, three more exercises are remaining. Exercise C. Give one example of each of the following. Define and answer the following questions. That all I will send in the PDF. I will send the PDF of exercise A and B also. You can match it. And all other 3 exercises you have to write in the copy. For today, this much is enough. Revise it and complete the book. In next class, we will meet with the last chapter of the syllabus. Thank you, class.